Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's been quite a long time since I uploaded a new video. Thanks be to God and also your support. We've reached over 1,000 subscribers, so I say a very big thank you to you all for the support. Even though I wasn't uploading videos, but yes, still you supported me till now. So I say a very big thank you. To teach you how to make a love shape key holder. So this is actually one of my subscribers' requests to do a tutorial on this. So what you're going to need is your keychain, your scissors, your fishing line, and I'm using 0.7 mm, and then beads. So for this design you just need only about 40 pieces of beads. So once you count it, maybe 40, and then you use it. You don't need many beads to do it. So let's jump right into the video. So I'm going to cut a comfortable length of fishing line to work with, not too long and not too short too. Okay, so to start I'll take 4 beads, put 3 on any of the sides of the fishing line. So I'm putting mine on the left like this. You let it slide down and then you cross the 4th bead. Okay, so you will have this. So next I'm going to pick 3 beads like this, 1 on the left, 1 on the right, and then I will cross the 3rd one. So you have this. So I'm going to repeat the second process till we get to the 7th. I'm going to repeat the same process till I get 7. So we have 3 now. So repeat the same process till we get to the 7th. So now we have 7. So what you're going to do next is you pick 1 bead with the right fishing line, and then you pass it through this bead here. So watch as I'm passing it through. And then you pick 1 bead and cross with it. Okay, so you have it to become round like this. Okay. So next I will pass my left fishing line through this bead here. Then I'll pick 2 beads with my right fishing line, and then I will cross the 2nd one. Okay, so now we have this. So I will once again pass my fishing line, the left one, through the next bead. Pick 2 beads with the right, you cross the 2nd one. So I will repeat this process once more by passing my left fishing line through the next bead, and then I'll pick 2 beads with my right fishing line, and I'll cross the 2nd. So now I won't pass my left fishing line through one bead, I'll pass it through two. So one and then two, and then you pick one bead and you cross it. So I'll continue by passing my left fishing line through the next bead again. Pick two beads, put one on the right, and then you press the second one. And please don't forget to subscribe, you like and you share as well for others to also see the good work that we are doing here and join the family. So now I'm going to pass my left fishing line through these two beads here. I'll pick one bead and cross. So if you have this now, then you are on the right track. Other than that, go back and watch the video again. So now I'll pass my left fishing line through this bead here. Okay, so here you can choose to pick one bead and cross with it. You can see that this one, I crossed the down part here, I used only one bead, but this one I used two beads, so the choice is yours. You can choose to use two beads or use one. So this one I'm going to use two white beads. So you put the two white, you can choose to put one on the left or the right, and then you cross the second one, whichever way is fine. So now I'm going to pass my right fishing line through these two beads here. Then I'll pass the left one through the next white bead, so that it will meet the right fishing line here, and then you tie it. If you cut a very long fishing line, you get here, and you can pass it through to reach this part, that is fine. But I don't want to do it for it to be complicated. That is why I'm tying it, and then I will cut another fishing line to do the top part for you. So after tying it, pass it through a few beads to secure it. So I'm going to cut a new fishing line, not very long, and then I'll pass it through two beads, these two beads here. So make sure they are of equal length. So now I will add my keychain here, so you can choose to put it on the left or the right fishing line. So I'll put it on the right, and now you pick two beads. You can choose to put one on the left or the right, then you have to cross the second one. So next, I will pass my right fishing line through this bead here. So in order to secure the keychain, I'll pass my fishing line through the keychain to the next bead there. And then I will pass my left fishing line through the next bead, this one, and through the one down here as well. Then now I'll pick one bead and cross it. So I'll once again pass my right fishing line through this one, the left one through the next bead there. You pick 2 beads, then you cross one, or you can choose to cross both, as it will give you the same results. So I'll cross one, and then you have this. So you pass your right fishing line through these 2 beads. And the left one through this bead, then you tie it. So at the time you pass it through a few beads and make sure it is secure. Our love shape key holder. Isn't it nice? Very beautiful. So this is a sign of my love for you guys, for the support you've given me. One of my subscribers too have requested for this round beaded bag. It's very unfortunate I don't have it here, but the video is on the way, so you guys watch out. I love you all. Till meet again. Bye bye. Please don't forget to subscribe.